Have you ever wondered why your brain feels like it's wrapped in cotton, even when your body is healing? Welcome to Vibes AI, where science meets sound to transform your cognitive wellness. Today, we're unveiling brain fog breakthrough. For those recovering from chronic illness, undergoing chemotherapy, or managing conditions like long COVID, brain fog isn't just frustrating, it's biochemically complex. Our precision-engineered soundscape targets this neurological disruption at the cellular level. Here's the neuroscience. At 40 Hz gamma frequency stimulation, the exact frequency validated in MIT's groundbreaking research, we can reduce inflammatory markers up to 50% and restore neural oscillation coherence in the hippocampus. This isn't theoretical. EEG studies confirm that external auditory stimuli can synchronize neural firing patterns, effectively resetting disrupted cognitive networks. Our technology leverages the principle of resonance. Every cell operates at an optimal vibrational frequency that illness disrupts. A 2024 study involving 50 participants revealed that resonant frequency exposure reduced cortisol levels by 40% while improving parasympathetic activation, the rest and digest state, essential for cellular repair. We've also incorporated beta range frequencies, 13 to 30 Hz, that improved psychomotor vigilance task scores by 20% in clinical trials, even in cognitively compromised individuals. This dual frequency approach addresses both the neuroinflammatory component of brain fog and the attention networks required for cognitive clarity. The binaural beat technology gradually modulates brainwave patterns through slight differences in tone frequencies between ears, creating a third frequency, the therapeutic difference tone. That triggers neural entrainment patterns documented through quantitative EEG mapping. Our users with chronic conditions report significant improvements after just one 20-minute session, paralleling findings from University of Cincinnati's research showing 60% enhancements in concentration and recall among medical patients using similar frequency-based interventions. Subscribe to Vibes AI for unlimited access to our research-backed sound therapy developed alongside neuroscientists studying post-treatment cognitive dysfunction. And please participate in our ongoing research through brief pre- and post surveys to help advance this revolutionary approach. Reclaim your neurological clarity with Vibes AI. Your healing deserves every scientific advantage. Become a Vibes AI Plus subscriber on Apple Podcasts. Get ad-free, early access to our 30 and 60-minute sessions designed to boost your cognitive health. Try it out today with our 3-day free trial. Not on Apple Podcasts? No worries. Hit the link in our show notes and get in on the vibes.